This crew, ladies and gentlemen, is sponsored by the International University of East Africa, Power Rice Limited, and they say they go with the Riga suspensions. The team to watch out. They can be a threat if they decide to be. We celebrate you, gentlemen, and thank you for participating in this event. To the winning crew. Mr. DJ, you know what we do for champions. Like how you did it the other day. Mr. DJ, let's celebrate the champion. And the winner, ladies and gentlemen, the crew of Jack Mangat and Kamina. Those are our winners.